what is the cause of moving of the object continuously? What is the cause of changing the direction of the object? So this cause is discussed in the, so for example we take one mass is there nana m1, so it will be moves up to here m1. So initially its velocity is u, and the next finally its velocity is v. So how the m1 is moves from here to here, okay na? So what is the phenomena is there, okay na? What is the cause of moving of the m1 body from u to v? Means initially velocity is u, final velocity is v. Means here this is the point A, this is the point B, okay na? So initially the body is at rest, the state of the body is rest, and then next it will moving here, okay na? It is in motion, okay na? Rest or motion, okay na? So kinematics is nothing but it's detailedly gives the brief information about the rest or motion. So the rest or motion is occurred due to the, what is the reason? That the reason or the cause is completely we discuss in the dynamics of motion, okay na? Dynamics of motion. So the dynamics of motion is nothing but it gives the brief information of cause to how the body is moving from here to here, okay na? So see here the body is moving from A to B. So what is the reason is that? What is the phenomena is behind that the body is moving from here to here? So only one phenomena is that there, or only one thing is that is nothing but force, okay na? That is nothing but force. The dynamics briefly give the information about the force, okay? So the Newton's only topic it's completely or detailedly tells about the force, okay na? So Newton's laws of motion means Newton's completely give the information about the force, okay na? So in the inverse there are the plenty types of forces are there, okay na? Basically up to 11th standard we discuss about the types of forces. So types of forces. Okay nana, the forces is nothing but when the object is we are applying some force on the object is moving from particular position to another position. That is nothing but when the object initially it is in rest, then we apply the force, it will be in moving. So means there the types of forces are there. How many types of forces are there? Basically up to my knowledge there are the forces are the, one is non-contact forces, another one is contact force, another one is weak forces, another one is nuclear forces, okay na? So what are they? Non-contact forces, contact forces, weak forces and nuclear forces. So up to 11th standard we discuss about the non-contact and contact forces. So in the non-contact forces, what are the types of non-contact forces? So there is the one is gravitational force, another one is electrostatic force, another one is magnetic force, okay na? Gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic forces. So whereas in contact forces, so there is a tension force and there is the friction force and there is the tension force and friction force, and whereas spring forces. So this is nothing but non-contact forces are gravity